What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I want to wish you a warm and welcome Happy New Year. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and for my returning supporters, I really and truly appreciate you. On today's menu, we have some Chipotle roast chicken. Let's get started. So here I am cleaning my chicken. I'm just using my knife to remove the little yellow parts along the side, the chicken back and the skin, and I'm going to remove it from the legs, and I'm just going to use my lemon or some vinegar to just clean it properly. Use whatever you have. Now I'll remove it from the water. Here I am removing the backbone. This is also called spatchcocking. So I'm just going to remove the backbone so the chicken can lay flat and it can cook evenly. After I remove the backbone, I'm just going to turn it over and apply some pressure to the breast area just to break that bone so it can lay flat. For my season, I have thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, herb roasted seasoning, paprika, black pepper. Feel free to use any spice blend. Here I have some chipotle paste. These are some whole chipotle peppers that I went ahead and puree. I add some olive oil to the spices, and I'm going to add chipotle pepper paste, and I'm going to mix well to combine a paste. And this is what I'm going to use to marinate the chicken. So I'm just going to mix well to combine. As I mentioned, feel free to use your favorite herbs and spices. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this paste all over the chicken, under the skin, under the wings, in between the legs, all over. It's going to make this nice and flavorful. So you just want to make sure that the paste is distributed evenly throughout the chicken. So I'm just going to turn it over, and I'm going to do the same on the inside. Now, I marinated this chicken overnight, but you could marinate this for up to 6 hours. You just want to give it a chance to relax and allow the spices and the flavorings to go in and out the chicken. I'm going to transfer this to a container that can be covered and place it in my refrigerator for overnight. Now it's the next day, and I'll be baking this in the same pan. So this is going into my 400-degree oven, and this is going to be cooking for at least an hour and 10 minutes. After about 40 minutes in the cooking time, I remove the chicken and I remove some of the juices. We're going to create a sauce. So I added some honey to this, some ketchup, some more of that chipotle pepper paste, because I mentioned this is chipotle roast chicken. And you want to flavor this to your liking, add or subtract, just jazz it up and make it your own. I went in with a whisk to dissolve the ketchup and the chipotle paste. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle this over the chicken. Then I'm going to remove it and baste it every 10 minutes until the cooking time is complete. You don't want to just leave it there. You just want to baste until we get a nice caramelized color and the chicken is fully cooked. So here I am basting it for the last time, and I placed it back into my oven, and this is smelling amazing, by the way. Now my chicken is done. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle on some fresh parsley just for garnish and to add a little pop of color to it. And yeah, that's it. My Chipotle roast chicken is ready. You could serve this up however you like. If you've reached this far in the video and you haven't yet liked my video, give it a thumbs up, share it. I would really appreciate it. Follow and subscribe if you haven't. I serve this up alongside some mashed potatoes, some broccoli, and some garlic butter corn on the side. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.